Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do is go over our NFT that is going to 5x. In my opinion, do not take this as financial advice. If you pick one up, it's at your own risk. Just want to mention that. So if you guys do get something out of this, if you are a copi fan, make sure to smash that like button. Also subscribe. That's the one thing that's going to help us here on the channel. So we're talking about the Collectible Raceworkx NFT. This is the T3. It's the fastest vehicle in their lineup, and the racing game is coming up very swiftly. So for those of you that have been following Cornucopias, you know that that's a AAA level game built using Unreal Engine 5, and there's a lot of potential there. So that's what we're going to get into in this video. And I'm also going to share my wallet, so we'll do a quick refresh. Looks like we're hovering about 12,000 ADA tokens right now. The reason I'm not delegating, I should put it this way. The reason I'm not yield farming and I've taken everything off of my, MinSwap and other DEX is because I want to maximize my returns for the Dega stake pool. So be wary of that as well when you're looking at my wallet. So what we're talking about is the T3. So I own a few of them. Comment down below if you guys have picked any up yourselves. So that's what it looks like. It's a beautiful NFT. I picked this one up on Mint Day, and then another one I picked up was, I think, just on the market later on as well. So if you go to JPEG Store, you're going to type in copi, and then you will see it right here, Cornucopias Valley Raceworkx T3 2023. And the floor price is at $282. Now, one thing I will mention though, and if you look at the price, to give you guys a little heads up, they're actually selling for about $240 to $250. One sold at $280. I would say the real price is, for the base one, the common here, is more like $260. So I would be a little weary. Not say that's a bad price to get in on, but because people have accepted offers and whatnot, the majority of them, I would say that the price is more like $260, $280. So not a lot have sold at this price. So I think it's a good buy. Long term, I can see it doing well. Long term, I'm saying 5 years, 3 to 5 years. Short term, when the game comes out, this could do really well. So I've got on my notes, it could potentially 5x. Nobody knows that for certain, but it is the fastest vehicle in the game. So due to the fact that these are non-fungible tokens, you can own a piece of the game, and you're owning the fastest vehicle in the game. And there's 4,300, it looks like. I think that's what was actually minted. So there will be a few more as well. And of course you can get different rarities. So we cover Cornucopias quite a bit here on the channel. I think these look fantastic. They're right up there with the bubble jets. So I have a goal for myself to pick up 5. I've got 2 T3s. I've got 13 bubble jets. I like to get to the point personally to acquire more. So write down, guys, pen and paper. I talk about it all the time. Write down your goals. And yeah, I'm extremely bullish on this project. Cornucopias is doing a really good job. So even if we go to Cornucopias website, let's check this out here. Here's my login, so you can see all my assets. And if you guys want to check out the channel, so if we go to T3s, you can see it. So I'm already ready to go. I use a Mac, as you guys can see here. So I probably won't even be able to play the game. I don't know if I will play the game. It really depends on whether or not I'm going to build a PC or not. That's pretty much where I'm at with the game. So comment down below. Are you guys bullish on the T3? Do you believe, like in my eyes, that this is a $1,200 to $1,500, a $1,200 to $1,500 ADA NFT? I think it's going to 4 to 5x, and that's where the price point would be at. So with that being said, guys, if you want to learn how to pick up NFTs using Cardano, check out this link in the description below. You will get lifetime access to the free Cardano mini course. 60 minutes, you learn how to set up wallets, stake, yield farm, everything you need to know to pick up NFTs as well. So it relates well. Also, if you have a lot of crypto, specifically if you have at least 500 USD or more, I recommend you pick up a cold storage wallet. The Trezor Model T is my absolute favorite. I've got a link in the description below. It will save you up to 20% off your device. So that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Gotta go. And yeah, let me know down below if you guys agree with my assessment that these are undervalued.